Woodworking is one of those skills where small tricks can save you hours of frustration. Today, we're going to look at some amazing tool tips that not only make your projects easier but also take your craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been in the workshop for years, you're about to learn techniques that can change the way you work. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last one, because it's a game changer. Welcome back to the channel. Here we share woodworking hacks, tool tips, and project ideas that anyone can use. If you love building with wood and want to keep learning smarter ways to work, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss our next video. And if you're already part of this community, thank you for supporting the channel. Let's begin with one of the most useful tips for consistency, the spacer block method. Instead of remeasuring every single cut, which often leads to mistakes, grab a scrap piece of wood and use it as a spacer. Clamp it in place, set your saw once, and then just repeat the cut as many times as you need. This trick is simple but powerful, and it gives your work a clean, professional look. Imagine building shelves, a table, or even a cabinet with perfectly even pieces. This one tip makes it possible. Now let's talk about sanding, which honestly can be the most time-consuming part of woodworking. Instead of struggling with just a sheet of sandpaper, try wrapping it around a block of wood, a pencil, or even a dowel. By doing this, you create your own custom sanding tool that easily reaches into corners, curves, and edges. This doesn't just save time, it gives you a smoother finish and makes your project look far more polished. Here's a hack that solves one of the biggest beginner problems: drilling perfectly straight holes without owning a drill press. All you need is a small block of wood with a perfect 90-degree edge. Place your drill against it, and you've instantly created a guide that keeps your bit straight as you go in. The result? Clean, accurate holes that make your joinery stronger and more reliable. And the best part, this costs nothing but saves you from buying an expensive piece of equipment. Clamps are one of those things you can never have enough of in a workshop. But when you run out, try this: use a rope or a ratchet strap combined with a wedge. Wrap it around your project, tighten it down, and you've got even pressure across the joints. This trick works especially well for gluing up larger or irregular shapes, like frames or panels. It's cheap, effective, and surprisingly strong.
Finally, let's look at one of my personal favorites, using painter's tape for cleaner glue joints. Before applying glue, place tape along the edges where you don't want it to squeeze out. Once you clamp everything together and the glue dries, just peel the tape away and you'll have a clean, crisp line without any messy cleanup. It's a small step that makes your projects look like they were built by a pro. So, which of these tips are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking hacks and tool reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.